morning, Shem Stars. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and fit. Let's start today's lesson. Hello, dear children. Today we will read a short story that's name is Chipko Takes Root, based on saving the environment. The main objectives of this lesson are to read an inspiring tale of a courageous young girl who protests against the cutting of trees in a forest. We will also learn phrasal verbs and their usages along with the adjectives and adverb. As we all know that forests are very important on the earth as they purify the air. There is a picture web given below. You can complete it by pasting or drawing pictures of things we get from forest like wood, herbs, timber, etc. Now we will read a story about a small girl named Dichi who lived in a village close to a forest. As many trees are in danger of being cut down, we have to find out if Dichi will be able to save her favorite ash tree from being cut down. So let's start the story to find out. Dichi is sitting high up in the branches of a tree and producing the sound dhoom dhadaka by hitting her dholak. Her brothers also tried hard to climb up the same tree, while their sheep are grazing in the meadow. Suddenly, she heard her grandfather's voice echoing through the trees. He called Dichi and her brothers to go to their grandmother who was across the river and asked the boys to take the sheep home safely. As soon as Dichi tried to jump on the rocks, she lost her balance and fell into the river with a splash. Children, splash is the sound of water. So Dichi's uncle was also there who was fishing nearby. He warned them to be careful, but the fast current swept both in no time. Dichi's uncle ran over to grab her, but her left leg was caught under a very large rock. Now, her grandfather was not visible and his voice also drowned due to great force of water. Dichi's uncle tried to maintain his balance while pulling her leg from under the rock. Finally, he was successful in pulling Dichi out. As soon as her uncle pulled her out, she fainted due to severe pain. Her uncle was also worried about Dadaji, so he rushed to save him, but it was too late. Dada swept away with flow of water and couldn't be saved. Dichi came to know about a sports goods company that cut down their trees for manufacturing cricket bats and other sports stuff. She raised question on this, that why did they do so? Because cutting of trees causes landslides and flash floods. She was also annoyed as she lost her dada and the power in her left leg due to floods. So children, that's it for today. I hope you all understood the explanation of this part of the chapter. Tomorrow again we will continue with the same chapter. So read the complete lesson so that you find it easy to comprehend its explanation. Take good care of yourself. Have a great day. Bye. Thank you, Shem Stars. That's all for today. You can drop your queries on Google Classroom